Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give another update video that my carbon fiber steering wheel is in. Just got dropped off by UPS and I'm excited as ever. Unbox it right here. Wow. I am so excited. Right now it's not even funny. Look at this beauty. Real carbon fiber from XGen Auto. Look at the weaves. Amazing quality from XGen Auto. Of course, what you all came here for. This is carbon fiber steering wheel, custom built. Wow. Look at that. Immaculate detail. So I'm gonna throw these on the car and stay tuned for that as well. I'll be installing them today. I'm scared because of the airbag. However, I'm going to be taking my time and documenting the whole process so you guys can follow along. And also, just to show you, first up, I just wanted to show you before I put it on the car how amazing the quality is. Look at the stitching all the way around. Yeah, this is a good boy. Hey guys, this back again with you. This is the day after I installed this red TWILL carbon fiber steering wheel, and I must say I took it for a drive last night, and this steering wheel I recommend 10 out of 10 to anyone that owns a 10th gen Honda Accord. This is a must. This is such an upgrade over stock, it's not even funny. The quality, the workmanship, the craft, the attention to detail is immaculate. And this steering wheel will enhance your interior vibe in a major way. Like, if you look at how the weaves in the carbon fiber, like, this is real carbon fiber here. That is crazy. To the stitching right here, all the way down. Now, the only thing with this steering wheel is the carbon fiber piece that came to replace this part could not fit my steering wheel for some reason. So I would have to get the other one because this piece came from eBay. So this is full carbon fiber. I'd have to get that replaced. However, I'm digging how it looks for now. That's something I'm definitely thinking about changing out in the future. And also up top here is full carbon fiber, which it's not the best quality because it's not real, but look at the steering wheel. Now this is definitely real carbon fiber. And then it feels so good in the hands when you're steering. Like it's really built for the hand. It's like it's designed because it's basically called a racing steering wheel. But yeah, like it really feels good. I love the flat bottom design. I really love that a lot. The couple of people that have seen the steering wheel so far have been giving me a lot of compliments on it. It really brings out the interior. Because I have a lot coming for this car. Eventually I'm gonna wrap the sides in red leather, and of course get the catskin leather seats. That's a definite must. But for sure, this steering wheel is amazing. If anybody's wondering, I ordered this steering wheel from XGen Auto on IG, so you can hit them up, tell them I sent you. But yes, they did quite a good job on the install here. Quite a good job on this steering wheel. And I must say, you know, you would definitely love it. But thanks for coming to this video. If you have any questions about the steering wheel, please do not hesitate to let me know down in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos when it goes live on the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.